Email marketing, the use of email within your marketing efforts to promote a business's products and services, as well as incentivize customer loyalty. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customers on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. It can also be a softer sell to educate your audience on the value of your brand or keep them engaged between purchases. It can also be anything in between. MailChimp can help you design, build, and optimize your email marketing to get the best ROI in your marketing program. When you want to grow your brand or sell your stuff, email marketing is one of the most popular and effective tools around for marketing campaigns. We'll discuss how email marketing and the usage of promotional emails can help you to grow your business, and we'll give you a few tips to help you get started with a successful email marketing campaign. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a powerful marketing channel, a form of direct marketing as well as digital marketing, that uses email to promote your business's products or services. It can help make your customers aware of your latest items or offers by integrating it into your marketing automation efforts. It can also play a pivotal role in your marketing strategy with lead generation, brand awareness, building relationships, or keeping customers engaged between purchases through different types of marketing emails. A brief history of email. The very first email was sent in 1971 by a computer engineer named Ray Tomlinson. The message he sent was just a string of numbers and letters, but it was the beginning of a new era of communication. Tomlinson was also the person who introduced the usage of the @ symbol in email addresses. In 1978, a marketing manager at Digital Equipment Corporation named Gary Thorpe used this new method of direct communication to send out the first commercial email to let people know about a new product. His email list only had 400 addresses, but the emails he sent resulted in about $13 million in sales. By the 90s, the internet had become commercially available to the masses. The way people communicated with one another began to change dramatically, and marketers discovered that email could be an effective way to advertise. The emergence of marketing emails also ushered in the need for regulatory updates. The UK's Data Protection Act, for example, was adjusted to require an opt-out option for all marketing emails. Advantages of email marketing. Email has become such a popular marketing tool for businesses, partly because it forces the user to take some kind of action. An email will sit in the inbox until it's read, deleted, or archived. But email is also one of the most cost-effective tools available too. In fact, a 2015 study by the UK-based Direct Marketing Association, DMA, found that for every $1 spent, email has an average return on investment, ROI, of $38. For more on the power of email marketing, check out our email marketing statistics by industry.